Hey y'all, my name is Haley Minjavar, and this is my website, Carolina Cottage, with the domain cottagecreation.com. So this website was built for a business that my mom and I started together when I was a teenager, and we just sell natural lotions, lip balms, things like that. So this is my homepage right here. Have my top here, Carolina Cottage, natural moisturizers, and more, followed by just a little bit about our ingredients, about our business, with a couple of links to browse our different products, talking about our scents. We have our favorite ones featured here, and another link to our products but organized by our scents. And then another call to action to browse all of our products. So really the big push is just to buy the products, buy our lotions, and so that's the focus of our homepage. Moving on to our About page, our menu up at the top, it gives just a little bit about our story. We started this when I was in high school because I had really bad eczema. A lot of chemicals and other lotions hurt my skin, and so this is the recipe that we found that worked. So we just have a little bit about that story here, a little signature from my mom, Heidi, and just some information about the main ingredients that we use. We want people to be comfortable with buying the ingredients, and so we just place them all right here. Moving on to the next page, this is our recipe page. We not only want to sell our lotions, we don't mind sharing a recipe with other people. It's so simple. And so we just have a couple of recipes, including our base ingredients plus the scents that we use. So we have the citrus mint hard lotion here, the bee butter hard lotion, just a couple options for people to try making them on their own. Right here we have our blog. I only have one blog post up right now. It's 3 benefits of shea butter. Shea butter is one of the ingredients we use, but it's just an option for people to learn a little bit more about the process, how we work, more about the business and our ingredients. And of course at the bottom we have another call to action to try a new scented lotion, shop now. Over here we have our store with our shop, the cart, and that person's account. So if they want to come up here to the shop, I have 3 different options right here for now. I have a bee butter lotion bar, citrus mint lotion bundle, and the fall time lotion bar. Of course, on the side we have recent posts, and if somebody commented, they'd be able to see there. I think the most difficult thing with this website for me was just the time and effort that it takes to build a website that looks good, to get to know the system. It's a different builder than I'm used to. And even though I've worked with WordPress before, setting up something that was professional and that was for a business, that was new to me. So it really takes a lot of time to really get a website up and running. And on top of that, if we were to continue creating it and really fleshing it out, that's a really big commitment. And so that was probably the biggest thing that I've learned, and the way that I've grown the most from this class is learning about really how to put a lot of time and a lot of effort into a website. So that is my presentation. Hope you guys enjoy.